The main service center of Samsung Electronics in Manila is located at Tejeron Street, close to Puregold Makati. A Jewish kosher market and foodie experience is held at the Makati Synagogue every Thursday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. by the Jewish Association of the Philippines. It's a members-only club, but we were lucky to be invited, and the lunch menu changes every week, and you can try specialties like their freshly carved chicken shawarma, schnitzel, hummus, fried kuba, Turkish-style eggplant, couscous soup, shakshuka,